Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on the breakdown of metadata associated with each image. To get to the metadata associated with each image, you're going to start in either your private collection image listing or the team image listing. You will select your images to edit by clicking on the white box, and the box will turn to a blue box with a white check mark. You will then click on the edit button. Image metadata can be found when the image ID thumbnail is selected. And you can tell that's selected because it will be highlighted in pale blue. You will then come over to the right-hand side and find image metadata. The box may be collapsed, so you may have to open up the box to access this information. The image metadata that we collect for each image, or that we have the opportunity to collect for each image, is as follows: photo taken underwater, no fish in photo, not a real fish, so an artistic rendition of a fish, an X-ray image of a fish, a test photo. These photos will be used in the AI verification testing only and will not be used in the building of the AI model, and therefore they will not be available as part of our open source data. And then if this image should be included in the object detection model or not. To toggle any of these buttons on, you will just simply toggle the button on, and this now indicates that the photo has been taken underwater. So blue toggled button on means that that statement holds true for that image. To deselect it, you would just click that button again. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on metadata associated with each image.